Hello everyone. Yeah, good day. Uh, Happy Eid Mubarak for all of you. Yeah, may the blessing of this Ramadan uh, upon of you all with your family too. Yeah. Now we are going to discuss briefly. Yeah, because I'll give you sample related with the journal discussion. Previously, you got the journal entitled sensory evaluation of liver milk. Yeah, please take a look at the journal. Yeah, while watching the video or before watching the video. Yeah, effect of incorporation of dried pineapple powder and drying temperature. So in this occasion, yeah, I will share for you how the discussion of the journal looks like. Yeah, first, yeah, instead of the title, you can go directly and check the quality of the journal. Yeah, check the standard. You can check the ISSN. Yeah, what is it? This is the international standard series number. Yeah, usually consists of 8 series of number that indicate of the journal list. Then you can also check the quality of the journal. You can go to the source directly. Yeah, of the website of the journal. You can check the index and you can see the impact factor. Uh, for the local journal, Indonesian journal, whether this is national or international, you can have Garuda, or you can go to for Sinta, yeah, from Ristek Print, and then in international you can also check directly to Skimaku or Scopus, yeah. But unfortunately, this is the international journal from abroad, yeah, from foreign country. So you can check directly to the source, yeah. Then you can share later on, yeah, in other journal, yeah. You can share about this one. Oh, this is valid. This is standard. You can check the ESS and you can check the impact factor if you have it, yeah, in this website. Then after that, you can go directly to discuss the title itself briefly. From the title you can see about the content of it, yeah. From this title, sensory evaluation of flavored milk, effect and incorporation of dried pineapple powder and drying temperature, yeah. You can check first the variable. What are the variable? You can have a review a bit about variable. What is variable? Yeah, a variable is something that can be changed or varied, yeah, such as characteristic or value. Then, you can see it in Bahasa and you can see it in your research methodology about the variable. Here consists of two, right? The dependent variable and independent variable. The independent variable controlled uh, and manipulated. So the variable that is controlled and manipulated is independent variable. Then the other one is the dependent variable, which is measured and it is changed or influenced by the upper one, by the independent variable. Yeah. Yeah. This sharing is a glance. Yeah. It's just a short sharing. You can elaborate it by yourself. Here, you can check the journal and make a correlation with the definition of dependent and independent variables. Yeah. Here we got that the independent one that once again controlled and manipulated. So we control the dry pineapple powder and drying temperature. Then what it changed, what can have the impact and that is influenced by it is the sensory evaluation of flavor milk. Yeah, from the test and also from the assessment, that from four apparatus or four we can say attributes, yeah, color and appearance, flavor, taste and overall acceptability. This is the sensory evaluation, yeah. Color and appearance, flavor, taste and overall ability. Then you can also discuss about the method of the journal. What is the research methodology? Please check. Oh, this is quantitative method. What is quantitative? Oh, sorry, this is quantitative, yeah. The description need to be changed, yeah. Then what is the specific one? Oh, this is about experimental research. Yeah. Okay, I will make change of it. This is wrong. Yeah, this is not. Uh, yeah, this is the quantitative. This is realized. Yeah, on numerical data. This one. In this contact, we have the once again with the method of it. There are subject to sensory evaluation by panel of judges from the university, yeah, with the 9 points that were awarded from like extremely to the most, yeah, dislike extremely. Then you can elaborate about the research instrument itself, yeah, what is the research instrument, then what are they, yeah, from the questionnaire, interview, observation, documentation, content analysis, focus group, video camera, test, and extra. Then you can get the journal research instrument. What is the research instrument of the journal? Yeah, you can have the task as the research instrument, yeah, for the drying experience. Then you can the second is the assessment, yeah, from a 9 point of hedonic scale, yeah, which is used to point out the differences among the samples of those variables, yeah. Then instead of the title, the standard one, the quality of the journal, the research variable, the methodology, we can also go to the content, yeah. We can also discuss many things about the contents, yeah. You can elaborate by yourself, yeah. Because of the sensory evaluation, you can go to the color and appearance. What is the result? Blah blah blah. And the flavor, what is the result? The taste, blah blah blah. Yeah, what is the result? And then because it's about the drying temperature, yeah. Instead of the sensory evaluation, you can discuss about the storage period and extra, yeah. And also the last in every journal, yeah, because of the specific discussion, you can go to the wrapping, share the conclusion, yeah. You can share the conclusion from this journal that from many kind of use of the this one, we have the title, yeah, flavored milk, yeah. Then to the last one, uh, yeah, we have the conclusion. The quality of pineapple flavored milk. Nah, this one was good at the temperature of 65 Celsius, yeah, degree Celsius. So this is the main point. Then the storage period of pineapple flavor milk was maximum at concentration of 1 gram powder per 100 milliliter of milk. Yeah, you can grab this second point. Then you can also share that it was found that the sensory quality of pineapple flavored milk was good at the concentration. This is about the concentration of 2 gram of sample per 100 milliliter of milk. Yeah, that's the short sharing related what you are going to do in discussing a journal. You got a journal, you read it, then you try to share it to your friends. You share to your close friend or maybe among the group of the class and extra, yeah. I hope it will be beneficial, and please try to discuss another journal, yeah. This is for English for food technology. You got the receptive skill and you got the productive skill related with certain topics of the journal, because remember, in a research, in a thesis defense, uh, especially the process of it, yeah, in the writing the undergraduate thesis, you need to have a lot of journal references, right? It is not just a book but also journal, because this the most up to date one from the recent years, uh, at least the last 5 or maximally 10 last years, yeah. The last 10 years is okay, but uh, more than it, yeah, it can be one or two related with the major or the main theory. But if it is about the supporting one and then the rest of it, you need to have the up to date one. ya. Please keep in touch. Dan once again, happy Eid Mubarak ya. Goodbye. See you.